How to upload HD videos to TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to upload HD videos to your TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into our TikTok app. So if you have tried to upload videos before to your TikTok but you feel like you don't get good quality on those videos, then don't worry, because there is actually a way to fix this. What we need to do first is to click on the try bar symbol in the top right corner. And now we need to click where it says Settings and Privacy. And when we are in here, then we need to scroll down just a little bit. And then we need to click where it says Data, basically, or Data Savior. Perfect. When we are in here and you can see that this one, Data Savior, is basically on for you, then what you need to do is to just turn it off. What will happen now is that when you upload your videos, then automatically they should get better quality from TikTok, because if you have this option on, then TikTok might actually compromise your video quality because of that. And if this does not work for you, then there is actually another way to fix this. I think that if you do have low quality on your videos, then I would recommend to you to use a better software to edit, like Adobe After Effects, for example. So just use a better software or better camera if you can, if you feel like the quality is not good enough, basically. So this is exactly how to upload HD videos to your TikTok. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a great day.